Greetings, Matthews. This is Mrs. Mounts, and I am going to go over properties for solving multi-step equations. But first, all right, get my screen ready here for you. So I think this will be a quick video here. We're just going to have a few things to fill in. So the first property is the addition property of equality. So you were just saying what you would do to both sides of the equation. So if our original equation, two-step equation, is 2x minus 5 equals 10, the inverse of subtracting 5 would be adding 5. So if you see that there's going to be a pull-down menu on the assignment today, you would pick addition property of equality. That's what's happening on both sides of the equation. On to subtraction property of equality. Two-step equation, the inverse of adding 3 would be to subtract 3. And then I do that to both sides of the equation. Step number 3, multiplication property of equality. So here we have W subtract 7 divided by 8. Remember, we're undoing this side. The last thing I said was divide by 8. So I am going to multiply both sides by 8. So again, if you see that in a line, you know that we're using this property. Division property of equality. This is your coefficient. Remember, coefficients tell you what you're multiplying a variable by. We're multiplying this variable by negative 6.25. To solve for x, we will divide by negative 6.25. So anytime you see division, that's your property. Okay, simplifying. We actually simplify a lot as we solve equations. So for example, we would simplify this side, negative 12.5 plus 12.5. Remember, that kind of does that zapping. That gives you 0. And we are left with y. So we just simplified the left side. We'll also simplify the right-hand side. Negative 7 plus 12.5 would give us a positive 5.5. So this step, all we're doing, we didn't, from here to this step, we are simplifying. Now back up here, if they were asking you about this line, that would be back to the addition property of equality. But from here to here, we're simplifying. Last one, distributive property. Go ahead and show my arcs there. So we are going to multiply negative 3 by each of the terms on the inside. Negative times a negative is a positive 21. This will help you when you do your ALEKS assignment and you have those pull-down menus. Go ahead and glue that in your notes.